Absolutely. Now get ready and stop hogging the mirror.
Right. Wonder what Sean will grow up to be.
Ah, good morning, sir. Your coffee. 173.5 degree Fahrenheit.
Grognak the Barbarian in the Jungle of the Bat Babies. My favorite.
And today's newspaper just delivered.
You see, Jimmy, our government has bullies too. Wow, really? That's right. Which is why we've
I'm so proud of her.
developed new weapons, so bullies around
Good old USA.
the bother us again.
Huh?
Well, Jimmy,
Wow, look at you. How'd a girl like me ever get so lucky, huh?
careful there, sport.
More of the same.
Oh, sounds like someone made a sticky. I shall attend to young Shaw.
You know, I was nervous at first, but Codsworth's really good with Sean.
But then we're looking at a cold front coming down from Canada, making it crisp and dry for next week's Halloween.
Yeah, let Codsworth take care of it. Abraxo for all your cleaning needs.
Overseas are experiencing some unusual weather as well. On the island of Mamba Jow, the nights are cold, unseasonably so,
Instamash, Fancy Lad snack cakes, Blamco mac and cheese. Expires in never.
easier for a mechanized Hellcat to drive any screaming commie memes.
Can you get that?
Good morning. Vault-Tec calling.
Vault-Tec? Remind me again?
Why, we're about you, sir, and helping secure your future. You see, Vault-Tec is the foremost builder of state-of-the-art underground fallout shelters. Vaults, if you will. Luxury accommodations where you can wait out the horrors of nuclear devastation. You can't begin to know how happy I am to finally speak with you. I've been trying for days. It's a matter of utmost urgency, I assure you.
I'm here now.
So you are. So you are. Now, I know you're a busy fellow, so I won't take up much of your time. Time being a precious commodity. I'm here today to tell you that because of your family service to our country, you have been pre-selected for entrance into the local vault. Vault 111.
But there's room for my entire family, right?
Of course, of course. Minus your robot, naturally. In fact, you're already cleared for entrance. It's just a matter of verifying some information. Don't want there to be any holdups in the unforeseen event of total atomic annihilation. Won't take but a moment.
Sure, let's do it.
Splendid! Splendid. Now, let's see. Wonderful. That's everything. Just gonna walk this over to the vault. Congratulations on being prepared for the future.
Thanks again.
Hey, it's peace of mind.
Hey, hon. For you and Sean, no price is too high.
Good answer.
I have my moments.
Sir, Sean has been changed, but he absolutely refuses to calm down. I think he needs some of that paternal affection you seem to be so good at.
You heard Codsworth. Go on. How are the two most important men in my life doing? Spin the mobile a bit. He loves that. Hey, how's my little guy? Much better now, huh? Listen, after breakfast, I was thinking we could head to the park for a bit. Weather should hold up.
Yeah, sounds like fun.
Sir, Mum, you should come and see this.
Codsworth, what's wrong?
Followed by flashes, blinding flashes, sounds of explosions. We're trying to get confirmation.
What?
We seem to have lost
did
contact
he
with our
say?
affiliate stations. We do have coming in. That's confirmed reports. I repeat, confirmed reports of nuclear detonations in New York and Pennsylvania. My God.
Oh my god.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
Residents of Sanctuary Hills, if you are registered, evacuate to Vault 111 immediately.
We'll drive to the coast! That's gotta be far enough! This
Who cares?
Just help me pack it up! All participants, check in at the gate!
That's absurd! I am
Not on the list.
Vault-Tec.
You don't get
I'm
in.
going in. You can't stop me! Oh.
We need to get in. We're on the list.
Infant, adult male, adult female. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you!
Good luck, ma'am. You two follow me. Come on.
What's gonna happen to all those people outside
We're
the
doing
gate?
everything we can. Now keep moving.
This
way.
Platform, in the center! Alright, that's it! Send it down!
Almost there. We're gonna be okay. I love you. Both of you.
We love you too.
Oh my god!
Hold on!
Can't this thing move faster?
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
We did it. We made it. We're okay.
Everyone please, step off the elevator and proceed up the stairs in an orderly fashion.
No need to worry, folks. We'll get everyone situated in your new home. Vault 111. A better future underground.
So we just...
Yes, up the stairs.
I can't believe it. If we left a minute later...
No,
We'd all
don't
be.
get caught up thinking about that. You're safe now. Everyone, just head up these stairs and through the door there.
Vault-Tec is here for you.
This way, please.
All new residents, please proceed in an orderly fashion.
This way.
Welcome home.
This way, please.
Female and infant.
This one's good.
Male.
Just this way.
Male.
Step over to the
Female.
table, take a suit. Just step over to the table. Welcome.
Okay.
Pick up a suit right over there.
Thanks. What
Right
now?
over there.
Just follow the doctor here. He'll show you where to go.
All right, you.
Hey,
Here you are. Head down the hall
Goddamn
there.
nuke.
It's down the hallway right there.
This is our new home.
Oh, you're gonna love it here. This is one of our most advanced facilities. Not that the others aren't great, mind you. It's gone. Our home. Everything we had.
My mother and father down in D.C. Oh, God, honey. What if they could make
How long do you think we'll be down here?
Oh, we'll be going over all that in orientation. Just a few medical items we have to get through first.
Good fit, don't you think?
The Vault suit is designed to be fashionable as well as comfortable.
Prepared for the future, right?
Just step in here and put your Vault suit on.
Sean's acting up.
The pod will decontaminate and depressurize you before we head deeper in the vault. Just relax.
Time for a whole new life.
Resident secure. Occupant vitals normal. Procedure complete. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Manual override initiated. Cryogenic stasis suspended.
This is the one. Here.
Open it.
Are we okay?
Almost. Everything's gonna be fine.
Come. No, I've got him.
Let the boy go. I'm only gonna tell you once.
I'm not giving you Sean.
Get the kid out of here. Let's go. At least we still have a backup.
Cryogenic shield reinitialized.
Cryogenic array. Vault residents must vacate immediately.
Come on! There has to be a release! Come on, come on, come on! Oh, God!
Critical failure in cryogenic.
I'll find who did this,
Residents must vacate
and I'll get Sean back. I promise. It's stuck.